So we've covered a lot, haven't we? Guess kind of at some point you're going to want to, yeah, what's he prattling on about, eh? What's he talking? Alright, lads and lasses, welcome along. Tuppence Tuesday yet again, eh? We've gone through an awful lot, haven't we, in the last few weeks? Yeah, and I guess it's kind of time to make sense of it. You know, what does it all mean? Why we're listening to this guy prattle on about 1995's Rugby World Cup Championship? I mean, honestly, has he got no current to talk about? Right, if we're going back, right, and we look at the picture, we kind of touched on it last week, didn't we? You know, the realities of this picture, when you get right down to it and you funnel everything through to it, you've got some really emotive images there, haven't you? We've got like Francois Pienaar being presented something by his president. And I mean, anybody getting something by the president is going to be, it's an emotive issue, isn't it? Or like, it's an emotional time. There's going to be something there that's going to be, on the back of that, we've got the fact that Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for years, effectively for not doing a great deal, you know, right? And then you've got Francois Pienaar, who kind of grew up in a South Africa very different to how he then captained the team to victory in. And, you know, both parties went through significant changes. And the key thing with this, really, if we get to the point of it, is we want to be able to think through, right? What does it all mean? And when we're saying what does it mean, is you need to be able to start to analyze you, and it's yourself is really the point of this. You know, the point of the exercise was to show, hey, there's stuff in here about me. You know, by me, I mean ye, me, everyone. You know, there's nobody who doesn't have this going on, right? We've all got confirmation biases that plague us, right? We couldn't get through the day without it. We've all got the hero mentality and, you know, people that we look up to that are really going to inspire us and, you know, that we look for them to help shape our confirmations. And with that comes the negative, you know, people that we're going to have negative connotations about and that we're going to then expect and see that confirmed as we're going through. And that's then, you know, supported by luck. You know, when luck goes their way, yeah, of course it did, because they were there. And when it doesn't, oh, you know, wrong, no. Right? It's really key to understand that critical part that you, me, all of us, right, are really susceptible to being not manipulated, but kind of controlled by our emotional minds. Yeah? And really, what I want you to do, if we can, you know, look forward and start looking at, you know, how do we get to the next step? It's that kind of 3 questions, right? Whenever any information comes to you, you know, 3 questions, just 3 questions. I'll say, you know, who, what, and why, yeah? Who is telling me this, right? Why are they telling me this? You know, what are they getting out of it? Yeah? You know, and frankly then, what are they telling me? You know, because I've heard some, in my time, you know, I mean, just open the paper, look what's in the paper now, right? And you'll see who, what, why. Just go through that and think, well, why are they telling me this? And the why part of it is almost the most important. So who is it and what are they telling me is key. Those are 2 key pieces of information that you're going to need, those 2, right? But once you put in that 3rd piece in terms of why are they, you know, why are they telling me this, right? It becomes key. And, you know, everyone's doing something, you know, no such thing as a free lunch in this world, as they say, right? And you'd be just within your rights to say, why should I listen to ye? Why are you telling me out? Huh? Who are you? What are you doing? And why? You should, right? So I'll tell you who I am, why I'm doing all this, right? It's really simple. I run 2 companies. So I've got 2 businesses, right? The main business that I've got is Geordie Consultant, right? So we're a consultancy company, do Power BI consultancy. That's what we do, right? For businesses, right? And I've been consulting on Power BI really pretty much since Power BI came into being, right? So, well, you know, yeah, more years than I can't remember, 5 and a bit years that Power BI has been around at the time of video on this, right? I've been doing this kind of thing, trying to chase this ideal a lot longer than that, you know, probably 10, 15, dare I say, heading towards 20 years now, right? What it kind of came down to with businesses in particular for me was we could do all the fancy stuff, right? And make all the reports amazing and, oh, look, and look, right? What it came down to was people didn't understand what they were looking at. So I'd kind of end up having these conversations time and again with businesses. And so much of it was just, it kind of boiled down to how can we help people consume information, right? And from there, looking at everything going on in the world, I thought, Geordie Intelligence, man, it's, you know, we've got to do something, haven't we? Something that's not about business. It's not about me doing what I do in my day job, right? This is kind of that whole passion piece for me, which is around, you know, if I can't build reports and data sets and do the data side in a way that's going to actually make sense to the people who are consuming it, right? I'm wasting my time. And if I can't help people understand that, then I'm no good at what I'm doing, and that's professionally. So this is really me trying to give something back, I suppose. You know, like, how can I help you guys to learn a little bit more, right? If Geordie Intelligence pays for itself, I'll be happy, right? You know, Geordie Consultants where my interests are, right? And I want to help you learn a little bit, you know, be a little bit better at your Power BI, be a little bit more savvy at stuff that you're hearing. So, you know, if people want to learn Power BI, Geordie Intelligence, we're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep pushing it, try and make it as simple, make it a way that you can carry on and learn a bit of Power BI from, right? Dip in and out of some of the stuff and some of the courses that we do in Geordie Consulting. So if we're out training businesses, I'll put elements of it in here, right? And that's me. You know, I'm not going to lie and say, oh, do you know, if somebody came to us and said, oh, I'm desperately in need of a Power BI consultancy or something like that, come to Geordie Consulting. I'm going to go, no, right? So there's my who, what, and why, right? Does that help? Yeah? So we'll see if you stick with us for the weekend work, right? Catch us on Friday with that. But don't catch you. It's been fun, man. Yeah. So for now, take care. Ta-da.